Yes, go on.
Hello everyone, here I am going to present the very critical topic, which is women empowerment. As we know, today's India is famous for his India became independent, but there are some issues in which India is not became independent, in them there is the topic is women empowerment. If we talk about what is women empowerment, so the as we know, people says that today's time boys and girls are equal. There is a no difference between boys and girls, and we can see that in every field. Like if today's in armies and navies, the girls are also joining these army and navy, and they participate very well. But if we talk about in villages. When a girl became adult, the parents will get married her because they thought that she is not capable to do anything like a boy can do. Why they thought that? Because today's time the girls are not safe, because we can say the things going on like rape, which is very critical situation of our country. Girls are not safe. If they want to walk on the road at the midnight, they want someone to help. And we can talk about the women empowerment. People say that women are very powerful. They don't want anyone to get help them, but we can see it is not seen anywhere. If we talk about some other areas like Delhi, Pune, there the girls are safe because there is no crime about these things. But if we talk about some small areas like Gwalior and many other places, the girls are not safe because if we can see that people judge a girl by their clothes, what type of clothes she wear. If she wear a short dresses, so they thought that she wear these clothes to show themselves in front of boys. No, it is according to me, it is not about to show them to show them in front of them. She wear that cloth to because she like it. But if she walk on the road, the boys see that girl in very different kind of imagination, which is not good. People should have to be, first of all, if we talk about the women empowerment, people should have to be give the knowledge to boys, not to girls. Why always the girls have to change themselves? Why not the boys have to be change their mentality about the girls? Thank you.
My question is to you this. Talk about the women empowerment, feminism. Nothing is bad in it. It's your life. You can choose anything. Why the boys come in middle?
So because as we can see that the crime, if we can see the most of the things going on like rape, which is going on. We can see that many news before some days, a small girl, she is about 10 to 15 months, and she get raped. So we have to be think about that she is a small child who born, and she was only 15 to 10 months. So why this happened? Because of their mentality. People are not seeing people for boys, not all boys, some boys, I am not talking about the all, I am talking about some boys. They have mentality the same for a small girl. Or if we talk about even when they get married, after their marriage, they don't give the respect to their wife. They always trying to show her that she is for just making their home, not for giving the not for their not she is not equal to him to do any type of job or something else, whatever she did, whatever she want to do.
Women are already empowered in India.
So no,
Your one complaint can destroy the future of any girl.
yes sir.
When anything happens wrong with any girl, there are many people support her and they beat the boys. Maybe possible.
Yes.
Like the girls may have made the mistake.
Yes.
Recently we have seen the girl, she beat the car driver, cab driver in Lucknow. Girls are already empowered. Women empowerment is somewhat like education of the girls, self-dependency of the girls, allow them to go outside and do something, whatever they want to do. There should not be restriction, there should be some amount of, fair amount of freedom to the girls, and they should not be made to be a slave to work in a home itself. उनको आगे बढ़ाने के लिए जो प्रयास होने चाहिए, that is what women empowerment, ये तो already है ना.
Yes
See,
sir.
when you talk about raping the girls 15 months, आप देखो 2-3 महीने की जो बच्चियां हैं वहाँ पर short dresses इशू नहीं है, वहाँ पर माइंड सेट का
Yes sir.
I'm also strictly believe in that कि like if anybody who just make an offense like rape, he should be shot dead on the midway, just to give the message to all the people. If anybody does the same kind of act, he'll be punished in the same manner.
We don't have to think about what the people think about yourself, because most of the girls are thinking about that what people can say about them. That's the biggest issue. She is not believing in herself, she believe in other. She show her that she is dependent on other.
तो ये शी की प्रॉब्लम है या फिर लोगों की प्रॉब्लम है?
Sir, because of that she show that she is dependent on, and because of that these issues are happened. First of all, she had to became independent by herself. If she became independent by herself, then these issues not happen in the society.
अपनी लाइफ के लिए थोड़ा सा ग्रीडी हो जाओ अगर लड़की हो.
Yes sir.